Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life, and this morning I find myself up in the Troodos Mountains. It's Wednesday morning, I should add, by I think Sun Valley ski slopes. I don't think the drag lift's operational this morning. There certainly isn't many cars parked here, which is nice from my point of view. If you're thinking of coming up here yourself, I would say get here during the week, because during the weekend it's going to be chocker if snow hasn't melted. I'll show you a little bit. I'm not going to go on a big yomp today because I'm not dressed for it. Well, on my feet anyway. I haven't got my boots with me. Oh, there's a bit of wind blowing. I did try and use my phone to make a film for our Facebook subscribers, but I had to take my gloves off for that because, of course, you can't use touchscreen wearing gloves. So that was rather cold. But yes, there's plenty of snow around, and there'll be some driving film as well, showing you the route up here. And I'm also going to go down to the Berengaria Hotel and fly the drone there. There's someone on their toboggan. There was a dog running around here a little while ago. I'll just go down this slope so I can show you the snow in all its glory. You can tell it's fresh because there aren't any snowmen yet. Now all those tobogganists are heading in that direction because to the left of the ski lift is a toboggan slope dedicated just for toboggans. Here's another little spot that's quite popular. It's just a little lay-by, but it's near the ski slopes. Oh, I gotta watch where I'm walking. This will probably dazzle you, this next shot, but yeah. It's fairly deep. It's not as deep as you'd expect on a regular skiing trip. But certainly deep enough to enjoy some winter beauty. That wind is biting though, I have to say. So make sure you've got plenty of clothing when you come up here. More cars coming up. Someone's got icicles on it. Going to say, oh, Troodos buses, there you go. And if you fancy a little walk, you can go down here. It seems popular with jeeps. Lighting a fire is prohibited. Apparently 300 metres in this direction there's a giant black pine. I'm not going to go and have a look for it though. I'm going to go down to Troodos Square. Right, so I'm now at the car park at the top end of Troodos Square, and I'm going to walk through the square itself. It's very icy here, so I'm taking little baby steps. The road was fairly good though, the ploughs are out. I saw one regular car up here, but they were stopping to put chains on. Very cautious steps at the moment. And up here's a roundabout. Sometimes it's difficult to tell. Now, what I would say is also is, if you do come up here, and you might see this big wide road up here, you think, oh, I can park there, because you can't see the. Oh, so I'm just getting out off the road as quickly as I can. Yes, so you won't be able to see the WL lines, but you will still get a ticket, and I speak from experience. Now most people seem to be walking down here, and I think I'm going to follow their lead. There's a car there having a bit of problem getting out. And that's a 4x4, so bear that in mind if you're thinking of coming up in a regular car. The kids sliding in the snow. Ooh. I suppose during this bit, when I'm just going to be plodding along, I'll get some marketing done. Haha, you can't escape. If you like our films, whether they are walkie-talkie or driving films like this, or our 360 films, then please do subscribe to our YouTube channels, Paphos Life and Cyprus Panoramas. It really does help us, and it doesn't cost you anything. But if you'd like to help us out financially, go to our Buy Me a Coffee page at buymeacoffee.com/Paphos Life. And there you can chuck us a few coffees or cocos, and might be the more appropriate for the time. They're all very great to be received. And if you want to get something back in return, go to our Zazzle store at zazzle.co.uk/Paphos Life, and there you can get a rolling calendar by me. By that I mean it'll start February 2026 and go on through January 2027. Not, as I said in the previous film, 2025 and 2026. Someone kindly pointed that out to me. I do welcome corrections. Looks like you can buy toboggans here if you haven't got one. I imagine this is selling corn on the cob, though I could be wrong. Yeah, corn on the cob. You can't get much fresher than that, can you? Woolly hats and gloves as well. So if you've forgotten anything, you can get it up here. Now we'll walk down to the hotel and the little roundabout at the end, and I'll call it quits. I might do another bit when we get to Berengaria, depending on if there's any snow there or not. I suppose actually, now what I'll do, I'll slip in the Berengaria so you can just have an update now. And as if by magic, we're transported to the Berengaria Hotel. I've flown the drone here, the roof is done, and there are people working there as we speak, so progress is now being made. Very picturesque here. I'll just give you a quick view of the hotel from down here. I'll bung in an extra bit of drone footage as well, but there will be a separate film showing you what it's like. Oh, there's a quick buzz, so you can have a preview, so to speak. Anyway, let's have one last look at the snowy scenery here before we head back to Troodos. Okay, well, that's pretty amazing, isn't it? Always a lookout here. Let's go and have a look out. The annoying thing about wearing gloves, as I said before with the phone, the touch screen on the GoPro doesn't work, and you have to use the touch screen because the screen times out after 5 minutes, which is rather annoying because on the earlier GoPros you used to be able to set it for never time out. And previous years you've seen big icicles here, but perhaps we'll have to wait later in the season for that, assuming we have a season. I hope we do. I'm sure the businesses up here suffered because last winter was pretty much a no-show in terms of snow. There's someone shoveling. Oh, it's cold. Look around at the other side. Toilets this way. Always good to know when you're my age. I think when we ate here, I had a souvlaki that was nice enough. Troodos Cafeteria and Restaurant. Indoor seating advised. Anyway, oh, sorry, I was just having a look at what a car was doing. This is Troodos Winter Wonderland, and I might be doing another one if there's more snow in a week's time when my wife and daughter are back. But at least you get to see some snow in Cyprus. Okay, thanks for watching.